Hello, hello, hello. This is Mamta Sahota. I am your realtor and I am an investor as well who always brings you great investment opportunities. And today I am super excited because I am here in Edmonton. We've been doing a lot of projects since last year in Alberta, in Calgary, Edmonton, but today is very special. Because whenever I work with my investor clients, it's not just about the buildings. We look into the future, that what's going to be here in the community. It's just like people going to be living here, or people will be calling it home, and they'll have a community. So this project has everything. This project has, of course, the prices are lower because you are getting the first access because you are working with me, and the great investment opportunity. There are a lot of growth opportunities. You're also getting 2-year rental guarantee on this project. Property management will be included for you. In the first year, the condo fee is waived off for you. This is amazing, and especially when you invest here in Alberta, there are no development charges in this project. So your closing costs will be very, very low, no land transfer fee. Amazing project, amazing investment. Let's talk about this project right now. So this is Midtown investment. Midtown towns are coming in this project. Beautiful town, beautiful collection. But why this project is very important for me? So when you look at this map closely, this is not just one building, one set of towns. The builder have put a huge thought on this, building a community here. So this is a 45-acre lot. They're going to be lot of development happening here, and you are the first one to purchase your units here. So in this project right now, we are here in the phase 1, so that is a great thing. There are going to be a lot of future developments happening in this area. You are just next to a big mall, so you can 2 minutes walk and you can buy anything. 3 minutes walk, you can get to a lake. So this is the best place to be, and there are a lot of walking trails in this area, so you can enjoy. And then my favorite part is going to be Grover's Group, a community garden in this area. You're going to have a lot of courtyard areas where you can have fun with your family and other neighbors. So it's not just that you are living there. So your tenants will enjoy. So that's why people will pay you higher rent to be part of this community. And a lot of greenery is here, lot of greenery. And again, you will be the first one, so you're paying the lowest price and you're getting the maximum results in this project. Okay, and there are going to be a lot of development happening in this area. Beautiful floor plans. Let me tell you the incentives because I love it. 2-year rental guarantee is included, property management is included, then 0 development charges. Again, we talk about it, 0 condo fee for the first year, and then the upgrades. Pretty much everything is included, so there is no extra cost you are paying here. I'll show you the videos. Everything is included for you, and all stainless steel appliances are included, washer dryers are included, and most important, as an investor, you'll think about how much am I paying for this. So you're only paying 15% deposit, and you're getting a good extended deposit structure in this project. The project will be ready by sometime next year, and so it gives you a good time to grow your investment. Again, 2-year, you'll be getting the 2-year rental guarantee in it. So that's why huge like there is no stress to it. It's a lot of benefits added in this project. So let's just book your unit right away in this project. The prices are starting from high 400. So let's just book with me. Give me a call at 647-532-3000. Thank you.